Hi everybody, this is Robert with Complete Truck Body out of Compton, California, showing you the Dhollandia RMM-44, formerly known as the RM20, with the 60 by 85 inch aluminum platform. Let's open it up and check it out. This liftgate is also equipped with a wireless hand control. This wireless hand control is operated with two buttons to turn it off and on, and then two buttons to bring it up and down. By pressing the up function, we can go ahead and get up, and pressing the down function, you'll notice that we get gravity down. The power down function is controlled by the main control here on the side. When we want to go ahead and load up the cargo, we'll stand in this box, we'll come up, and we'll come down. I will now demonstrate proper usage of the liftgate utilizing my Lincoln Electric Power MIG 256, which weighs approximately 285 pounds, and this 40-pound gas cylinder. So, with the hand control clipped on my collar right here, it's already turned on. I'm gonna go ahead and push my cargo on, or I can pull it on. In this case, I'm gonna pull it on because this has a little lip on the edge of it that is a little annoying. As we can see, this liftgate is not equipped with cart stops, so if I release it, this rolls away. So, I'm going to use my hand control to get it level, reposition my cargo here in the center, move out of the way for safety, and because I'm using a wireless hand control, I can go ahead and hold on to the cargo as I come up and as I come down. We're going to come up all the way to the top. All right, now that we reached the top, I'm going to go ahead and show normal operation during offloading. Now that I have my cargo on the platform, in the center of the platform for the most advantageous area, I'm going to make sure that I have two hands on my cargo because my cargo has wheels, but if you had a pallet, you'd just drop the pallet. And then I'm going to make sure my remote control is turned on. If you have a wired hand control, then you don't need to do this. It doesn't time out, but this may time out after a few seconds of no input. If you do have any issues with your wireless hand control over here or over here, what it is the receiver is located in the pump box. So you just need to come and go ahead and point it over here. I'm going to go ahead and hold one hand on my cargo as I point the control down behind me just near the pump box where the receiver is. And we're going to come down nice and slow and controlled. As soon as I hit the ground, I'm going to go ahead and grab my cargo here because I have wheels on my cargo. And then I'm going to continue down and then offload it. And that's it. We'll show you the operation to go ahead and stow the liftgate by coming over here. We're going to braise it up just a little bit so you don't have to bend over too much. We're going to grab the flap and flip that over. And then we're going to go ahead and lift the entire platform and fold it over there. Bending at your knees and pushing it over. As you can see, the springs that actually help hold the liftgate up will prevent the liftgate from slamming down too hard or being too heavy. If you do notice your liftgate in particular is heavy, then have it checked out. It could be the springs for the platform that are either worn out or broken. And now we will go ahead and stow it away. I'm pressing up with the hand control. You can also do this from the fixed control on the side or with your wired hand control. After it reaches the top, I like to go ahead and give it at least another half second to 1 second to tighten up against the truck. What a lot of people will do is they'll leave the liftgate down like this, but what happens is as you're driving, this is going to bounce around and damage the liftgate over time. Nothing is being damaged when you tighten it up a little bit like that. Half a second and a second, nothing is being damaged and it keeps it nice and tight. Now the liftgate is up, we'll remember to turn our hand control off, or wireless hand control off, and go about our day. This has been Robert with Complete Truck Body. Reach out to us via email or call our office for more pricing and information.